Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get yellow circle around mouse tutorial. It gives you better idea about the position of cursor with same color backgrounds, and during tutorials first, you have to download cursor pack from this website. There will be link to download this file in video's description. Just click on download button. Once the file is downloaded, go the downloaded location and copy this file to the desktop for later use. It will be easier to browse from desktop. Now, you are good to go apply this cursor pack. Go to the Windows search bar or simply click Windows button. You can either type in search bar or simply type right after clicking on Windows button. Type mouse settings. Once you click on the mouse settings, a new window will open. Click on additional mouse options. A mouse properties window will open. Click on pointers in the second tab and browse to the desktop location where you copied the cursor pack file. Select the yellow circle cursor file and click open. Simply apply the settings and your Windows cursor will be changed to yellow circle cursor. Thanks for watching the video.